like a good colour for my skin actually. Soon as you get out of the shower, the bath, wash your face, get some toner on your face straight away. Get that moisture back in there. Oh, loving that. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Superdrug haul. I went online and I couldn't help but just raid the goodies. So I've got my little goodie box here which I'm going to share with you. I absolutely love getting a delivery. There is nothing quite like getting an email first thing in the morning say your delivery is on its way between such and such time. So I saw offers on there I could not resist, so I had to get them. And first off, I'm going to start with this foundation. This is the Makeup Academy Skin Define Matte Perfect Foundation, and I got it in beige. I love this foundation so much, and I literally used the last of my other one yesterday. This one, I think I got it for about £2 something. I'm hoping there is a little receipt in here that I can share the prices with you because I got offers. No receipt, but it's like you get a third off Makeup Academy at the moment, so get on there because this is only £4 anyway, so it's super cheap, and this is my favourite foundation by far. Then I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I've got to try this because I'm all about trying new contours, love trying out different things, and I've been using the Primark contour sticks for a while now, and it's like I just want that little something more. So I found this. This is the NYX, oh my god, Wonder Stick. I cannot wait to try this. I got this in medium dark, medium tan, because I do like my makeup quite heavy. I do like it quite dark for my skin, even though my skin's not as dark behind the makeup. So I went for the darker one, and I think this was around £9. It was on like an offer, so there was like a percentage off. I'm going to link all these products down below, so if you're interested in any of these, you can just click down below. It's all good. I'm going to get in there and have a look. Holy moly, this is like super packaged up. So I've taken it out of the box, and then it's in this little wrap. Oh yes, look at that. This is a little Wonder Stick. I am so excited to try this. So yeah, this looks like a good colour for my skin actually. So we've got the lighter end there. Oh, I'm going to be trying you out very soon. And then we've got the darker end here. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I've gone for the perfect match here. So excited about that. Keeping with NYX, I also picked up this brow pencil. Oh my goodness, I'm getting so bored of doing the same thing with my brows every damn day. I've been using the Makeup Academy Luxe little brow gel pot, which I love, but it's like the worst part of doing my face. If I could not do it every day, I'd be so happy about it. So this is the Micro Brow Pencil. And I'm just getting in there so I can see. I can't remember what colour. I think I got brunette. Here we go. And it's so small, the writing. I can't read it. I did get brunette. I got brunette. So on this end, you've got your little spoolie. And it's got a lid also. Keep it clean. And this end is a little twisty brow pencil. I'm just going to have a look actually and see. It's quite fair. It's fairer than I thought it was going to be, but I'll see how well it comes out. I'll be tweaking away my eyebrows later on tonight. Next up, I got a toothpaste. Ta-da! Okay, this probably sounds like, oh my god, she's hauling a toothpaste, but I really wanted to try this. This is by Colgate, and it's Dare To, I Love You. It's all in different languages on the front. It's so cute. You can even gift this. Look what they've done. I mean, you've got 130 grams in here, and the toothpaste is like a gel red, and it's got love hearts in the toothpaste. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. And it says it's exclusively at Superdrug, so I don't know whether you can get it anywhere else. Let me get it out. Oh my goodness, it has got hearts inside. That is adorable. Look. I don't know if you can see the hearts, but they're actually hearts in there. That is so cute. I've got to give it a sniff. I don't know if is it just mint or is it got like a... So I just imagine it to taste like strawberries. Oh, it smells... Mmm. That smells heaven. Oh! I can't wait to brush my teeth tonight. Well, after dinner, so a couple of hours. Next up, I've got this L'Oreal Age Perfect Refreshing Toner. I needed some toner because I feel soon as you get out of the shower, the bath, wash your face, get some toner on your face straight away. Get that moisture back in there. Get it good while your pores are all open, while it's all fresh. I needed toner. I was out and I'm feeling the results. So I went for the L'Oreal Age Perfect one because I love L'Oreal. Absolutely love the smell. Heavens above. God damn. Yeah. Refreshes skin, vitamin C for mature skin. Now I'm 34 this year. Putting that out there. That's a brave thing for me to do. But I'm 34 this year. And I feel that I don't feel that you're ever too young to start using aging products. I guess I would say around 25. Around 25, really start getting that anti-aging stuff into your skin because it literally like that and it's there. So crack on with it. These, whoo, I was so excited about these. These are Barry M Matte Liquid Lip Paint and Lip Liner sets. I think these were something stupid like £2.49. They were reduced so well. So I picked up two colours. I've gone for Lip Kit Pose and Lip Kit Go To. So Go To is the fairer one, Pose is the darker one. Let's have a look at these. So excited, look. Give you that one as well, go on. Get a proper gander at that. Woo! Ah! Okay, so we've got the lip liner. Really, really cute, loving the colour. I'm going to test it on my hand here. There's the colour, really, really nice, liking that. And then we've got the matte liquid lipstick here to go with it. So in we go again with the sticky wrapping. Okay, that's the bottle. It says matte me up, and then you unscrew and voila. It's got quite a nice smell. Let's put it next to that lip liner and see how well it goes. Oh, yes. Oh. Loving that, absolutely loving that as a set. I'm going to be trying that out later on, but now we're going to have a look at the Pose. This is a darker shade and it looks like a shade that I just wear time and time again because I love this kind of shade. It looks lighter than this one. What? Okay. The box is that colour, the shade is really pale. What is that about? This is the other one I just showed you. Look. This one looks nothing like the box. Alright. Okay, first off, I'm going to try the liner. So I'm going to put the liner just here. See, now I thought this was a darker shade, but it's really not. And then the colour next to it. Wow, that shocked me. But it's really, really nice. I really like that. I like both of those. Do you know what? I actually kind of prefer the lighter one. Cannot wait to try those. Okay, moving on. The last two things that I've got in the box are these hair products. Now this is TRESemme Specialist Keratin Smooth 7-Day Smooth System 120ml. And this is the TRESemme Pro Collection Colour Shineplex Serum, and you get 50ml. These are like £6 something and the other one was like £7, but if you buy the two together, it's 2 for £6. Bargain. There are loads of different ones to choose from as well. Like, there are so many different hair products that are in that offer. I believe it's all TRESemme. I could be wrong, but loads to choose from. This one is Heat Activated Treatment for 7-Day Smooth System. It smells nice. There's your bottle. And then this one here is to instantly controls frizz for lasting vibrancy and shine for up to 12 weeks. Sorry, it's really hard to see. It's in a little pump bottle. Myself a little bit closer because I'm going to use the Go-To. I'm just going to see what it looks like on my lips now because I didn't put anything on my lips for this video purely because I wanted to try one of these. So I'm just going to give it a go. Loving that lip liner. Look at that, look. Instantly you can see my lip line, whereas before it was just like a blur. Okay, now with this one. Oh, yes. Yes, Berry M. Look at that. Oh, loving. Loving that. Oh, you can't feel it. Like, it's instantly dry. This is what I love about matte lipsticks, is that they make your lips look so much plumper. I mean, mine haven't been filled in years. And they just instantly feel plumper and so soft. Oh, I'm loving that. Ooh. That was everything that I got in this haul. I will list everything down below and I'll put the prices down there as well so you don't have to click on each item to find how much they are because I've been useless and not known the prices, so I'll have to get on that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit the bell. You'll be notified as to when I upload another video. Thanks for watching.